morning. So I'm starting my vlog here right now, early morning. I'm editing a video, mine is working, and the weather is beautiful outside, so I thought let's just quickly complete my video. And water is heating up for a tea, so there is that, and let's start editing right now. So I'm finally done with my cleaning. I was cleaning the house, mopping the floors and all that stuff, cleaning out some drawers. I'm just washing the mop here now, and I'll just keep it outside for drying. What is the time? It's already 11:41 and I haven't prepped anything for today's dinner. So we have decided what we're gonna cook. We're gonna be making Chinese. So we're making fried rice and chili chicken. So you'll find this recipe in one of the previous vlogs. I'll check that vlog out and I'll put it in the description box below so that you can see. I won't make I'll just make the fried rice and keep it now, and then I'll fry the chicken and keep it. I won't like mix it in the sauce because then it's gonna become soggy. So yeah. And once we're back from the gym and before eating, I'll just mix up everything because it's very quick, you know. It doesn't take time to make all that stuff. And it's almost done with most of the work. Uploaded the video, so don't forget to go and check it out. Yesterday's vlog. And yeah, super excited because it's Friday. Happy Friday, guys! I totally forgot to wish you guys happy Friday. We cannot wait. We cannot wait for our vacation to start. I think it's 78 more days, babe. Yeah. 78 more days for us to go for our vacation. So we are like super excited. So I just have to rotate this thing and it'll squeeze all the excess water out. Yes. What do you want, Marvel? Why are you sitting with me in the kitchen? So I was about to make our shake, and over there it's going to be a brunch type of thing, just a shake. So I took out ice and this guy came running because mommy took out some ice. Anyways, so I'm gonna make our shake right now. Hold on, yeah. So I have some ice here. I'm gonna add water, ice, and which flavor do you want? Cafe latte? Okay guys, look at this cafe latte. Oh my god. Ooh, look at the thickness. So creamy and so good. And it tastes absolutely like coffee. So I'm gonna go enjoy my shake now, and I'll see you guys once I come back to the kitchen, start cooking the stuff. Okay, back in the kitchen. Let me take out the chicken. So we got chicken yesterday. I kept 2 chicken breasts here and rest in the freezer. And now I'm gonna marinate them and keep it. And then while this is marinating, I'll be making the rice in my Instant Pot, keeping it. And yes, but before doing all these things, let me put the start the Okay, so you guys saw how I marinated the chicken and the paneer, and I know I didn't tell you guys that I'm making paneer, so there's a slight change of plan. We are making chili chicken, fried rice, and because Ashley doesn't eat spicy, so what I was going to do before was that making half of the chili chicken non-spicy and half spicy, but I figured that let's make the entire chili chicken spicy, and we'll make a little bit of, instead of using 2 chicken breasts, I just use 1 chicken breast for the chili chicken. And I thought of adding some chili paneer to this, so we'll be making some chili paneer, chili chicken, and for Ashley we are making orange chicken. So that is there. It's not spicy, she'll enjoy it with fried rice. So yeah, and fried rice is not spicy, so you all can have the fried rice and it's all gonna be good. And for dessert we have mango. So yeah, that is it. Now I'm just gonna let this sit here for some time while I make the fried rice. You can see that I've added peas and green beans and carrots, salt and black pepper. That is all the seasoning that I'm going to add, and I'm going to saute the rice and veggies for some time before I start cooking it. And then once I've done sauteing it, they become a slight brown color, I am going to pressure cook it and cook this rice, and rice will be ready. Wow, look at it. Paneer is frying over here and chicken is right here. Once this is done, I'm gonna fry the chicken. And rice is almost done. I'm just letting the steam come out like natural way, and then I'll see and I'll show you guys as well. Almost done. Time is 2:18 and by 3:15 we'll leave for gym so that we come back in time. Open the rice and you can see it came out perfect. It's not sticking, it's fluffy and nice. And look at it, it looks delicious. Perfect, so everything is almost ready. And once we're back from the gym, they're here. Whenever we want to eat, I'll just quickly make the chili chicken, the sauce and everything, and put the chili paneer and done. Moyang is finally off work and the weekend has officially begun.
I think I'm finally off work.
Yeah, it's past 3.
No, I mean somebody might ping me.
Okay, so not everything, I mean the rice is done, as you guys know. Hold on, let me show you. The fried rice is here, chicken and paneer is here, and we are going to the gym now. We'll work out. We're gonna do full body today, so it might take us 1.5 hours. And we'll work out, come back, take bath, and that's it. And our weekend has started, so we're gonna enjoy this beautiful evening and have some fun and enjoy the delicious food and all that stuff. So let's go to the gym.
Who's that?
Ashley.
Are they here?
Hello.
Namaste, hi.
Namaste, where are you guys going?
Okay guys, so I think Yashu and Ashley are 30 minutes out. Too much noise, which means she is cooking. So she's making the chili chicken. You have to force it out. You have to shake it before you eat it. So she's making chili chicken, and I have already made paneer, and it is sitting on the table here. And you cannot see anything. So anyways, I'll show you once hers is done and everything is done. But I'm gonna go take a quick bath and be ready before these guys come. So bye bye.
Sit.
Bahan ka na. Bahan now.
Easy. Sit. Yes, sure.
Hey.
Yes, sure. Easy, Marvel. Easy.
You have been telling him, hey, you have been here.
Marvel,
But come here, let him come here. Marvel, walk with.
Easy.
Marvel.
Easy. No jumping, okay? No jumping. Marvel. Sit here. Just tell him not to jump.
No.
Okay, people, we are gonna have some food with these guys.
That's my best angle.
Yeah, he can hide his tummy from this angle, so I guess that's his best one. So anyways, I'm just kidding. We are gonna have this food, so we are waiting for Ashley to actually taste. She doesn't actually like too much spicy, so we have orange chicken for her, and she's gonna taste everything though. And this guy can eat anything pretty much. This guy has had his food, so he's sitting here.
I thought you were saying meet this guy. This girl.
No, and yeah, we just didn't realize it's been, how long you guys have been here? Almost 2 hours.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're here for 2 hours, and we were just chit-chatting, so we almost forgot that we are vlogging. But anyways, so we are gonna have some food, and then we are gonna see you guys in a bit.
Yay! Okay guys, it's 7:30 in the morning. Everybody's up because they have to leave now, and I just made the mango shake here for like to go. So we're gonna say them goodbye now. Yeah, so last night when they went to sleep, Marva went and sat like on their door over there for at least an hour, and then in the morning, as soon as he heard some noise like they woke up or something, he again went and sat there.
Right, Marva, what were you doing the whole time?
You were sitting at the door the whole time. Now Yeshu and Ashley are going.
Now they are going, and they will be coming back very soon again. Okay? They are going now.
He literally understands. When we last, like before they came, we told him Yeshu and Ashley are coming, and he was like, he was kind of trying to listen and understand. So he's very smart that way. Marvel now.
Marvel, come on.
What happened to the camera?
You
Should I-
probably got a lot of fall.
You've come up from AC to this thing.
Okay, people, so they are ready to leave, go enjoy a pool party, I guess.
Yep.
And we're gonna click a quick picture.
Chalo sir. Okay.
Chalo.
Bye.
Bye.
They got this sexy Dodge this time. Dodge Charge. We took a ride last night. It was so cool. That had to come in the camera. Bye.
Now you can cut it.
No, I won't cut it. I'll put it.
My reverse is bad.
I'll make sure I add the reversing. Bye. So he was just trying to be cool in the camera.
Yeah, all that quieting. It's a
Yeah.
good car.
Yeah.
We drove it last night.
Yeah, it was
and
fun.
It was fun to drive that car. So yep, I guess that is it for this vlog.
Yeah.
We are going back home. I really want to sleep some more, but I am not sure if I can now.
Yeah,
but
I'm
maybe
gonna
if
have
I
tea.
Oh, seriously, she's
But I
just
won't
gonna
be able to- I won't
she's
be
just
able
gonna
to-
wake up even more.
I won't be able to go and sleep directly now. I'm
Oh,
like
boy.
literally full awake.
So apparently,
But you can sleep.
we are just waking up. It's like work day. I woke up this early.
We'll sleep in the afternoon or something.
Yeah, that's also fair.
So yeah, we are going back home now. Marvel is here. And oops, yeah. So what? Yeah. So this is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it because we had so much of fun.
Yep.
And we'll see you in our next vlog. So till then.